Nasa Walter Mart kami ngayon. Magbe-breakfast kami. Yung si Allison. Mga siguro 20 minutes or 30 minutes ako naghintay sa kanya. Kasi feeling niya kasi malapit yung Bangbang sa Batangas City Pier. Charot. Tapos ang oras na ngayon is 9:35 and 10 o'clock yung start nung practice namin. Yan na si Allison. Yay!
Yung processional po natin.
Sobrang haggard na po kami. Ay, hindi pala. Fresh pa lang sa
So after
hi, vlog! Hey! Hindi, ate ka. Say hi to vlog. Hi, vlog!
Hi vlog!
Hi, vlog! Hi, guys! Ay, bitch pala!
Masaya na po tayo!
Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog!
For the prayer. And please remain standing as this will be followed by the singing of the
So dirty.
Pina-mention po lahat sa
Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now. Planting her roots, keeping the ground. Like magnolias in the spring. Open up my petals to the sky. So can the watercolors like a blue. And even if it takes some time, flowers never rush to bloom. Patiently in watercolors like blue.
So ayun, kakatapos lang namin mag-picture kasama yung ibang PFG. So shout out dyan sa mga PFG at sa mga ibang hindi nandito na PFG. Shout out guys! Say hi to my vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
And just because it's no joke, blossoms in the winter, it doesn't mean an orchid won't rise from the ground and then everybody will say, wow, look at it now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her skin.
So, hi guys! Kasama ko si Jack. Ngayon is papunta kaming SM. Nag-tricycle na lang kami kaysa mag-jeep kasi dami kami dalang gamit. Ayan. Si Jackie. Hola! Tingnan po natin kung ilang paper bag ang madadala ni Jackie paglabas dito. Charot! Punta na kami bawal. Hi guys! So ngayon is July 22, 2022. So ngayon is ang aming dedication day. Tapos ayun, kasama ko yung mga friends ko. Hi guys!
Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It's funny how a love can change you how to be. Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only
Hi guys! Ready na po kami.
all of my life. Where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something. All of my life, where have you been?
Sa huli, siya pa din nag-ayos ng pin ko.
The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something bright as this. Not even later.
Ang init po, tsaka sakit na ng pa ako.
Not even later.
Halika.
And I can feel the rush. I just wish to go so far. All this energy. Look in my eyes, what do you see?
And now, our
Where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need.
The Dean of the College, to my fellow department chairs and faculty members, our graduating batch for school year 2021-2022 and their dedicated parents, a pleasant afternoon to all. It is a great privilege for me to introduce our guest of honor and speaker.
outstanding dependability, leadership award as side grade captain, certificate of recognition from the LPUB Peer Facilitators Group, honor card of reading gold for Eric Erickson Award, and Dean's Lister during the first semester of academic year 2021 to 2022.
Hi guys! Congrats! Hi! Congrats guys! Hi! Ulit!
Solemnly pledge my loyalty to my beloved alma mater
My beloved Alma
and to the ideals for which it stands. I shall strive to the best of my ability to the university and to the ideals for which it stands.
From all the programs that the SEAS department offers ay talaga namang nagpatuloy.
They can say say you're right, you may be wrong. Since bring me alone to the world you see. Close my eyes to see. Close my eyes to see. To find the colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake.
To my friends, to my classmates, and to my fellow batchmates. Look, we did it. So congratulations to all of us. I'll see you at the finish line.
Talaga kinaya guys kasi sobrang sakit.
Bago dear. Ragat daw pa rin.
Going home.